How to add ethnicity in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now on the top, tap on this profile picture. So this will lead you to this editing platform. Here on the bottom, tap on Edit Profile. Now slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Ethnicity. Simply tap on Ethnicity. So basically these are the limited ones. So you can select it according to which ethnicity you belong to. So you can choose the one and at last tap on OK. But make sure that this will also be displayed in your profile and other people who view it will be able to see it. At last tap on Save and you're all ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.